We're now connected with our very own reporter Andira Putri and video journalist Dian Merdekawati who are still with us from Bali. Hi.
Hi Kai and Paul, so we're at Nusa Dua Bali where like you mentioned before, currently the third finance and central deputies meeting is still ongoing. It's a private meeting, once again it's restricted and it's closed meeting, so meaning that we didn't get any access about that. However, what we know so far is that today there will be the communique drafting, and then at the end of the day the draft itself will be proposed to for tomorrow to be discussed further during the finance minister and central bank governors meeting. And like you mentioned before, despite the meeting is closed, there are also several discussions outside of the main event. One of them are roundtable discussion between Indonesia Minister of Finance Sri Mulyani with India Minister of Finance Nirmala Sitharaman as Minister of Finance and Corporate Affairs Nirmala Sitharaman, as well as South Africa Minister of Finance Enoch Godongwana. So initially the United States Secretary of Treasury Janet Yellen is expected to also come and have the discussion with them. However, she was being represented by Andy Bokol, which is the Undersecretary of United States International Affairs of Secretary of Treasury. And throughout the meeting, they have discussed about the importance of sustainable finance and also the green energy transition in regards to combating climate change. And from Indonesia side, Minister Sri Mulyani mentioned that, which is the follow-up from the COP26, what Indonesia has been proposed is that the energy transition mechanism or ETM country platform. So right now, everything is still under discussion, everything is still being planned. However, what we know so far is that she hoped that it could help to accelerate growth while also help to make it help to be more inclusive and to be more fair and affordable, so all could get benefit from it. And also she mentioned that Indonesia itself is committed for the net zero carbon emission by 2030. And for all the details, here is the statement from Minister Sri Mulyani.
A country platform as a framework to provide the necessary financing for accelerating this national energy transition by mobilizing commercial as well as non-commercial funding sources in a sustainable manner. This is really a very challenging technical but also financial challenge for all of us.
Like she mentioned before, it still continues to be a challenge to adjust between the climate change as well as the economy. However, it will be discussed further during the third finance minister and central bank governor meeting. And aside from that, the Minister Sri Mulyani also mentioned that the roundtable discussion is actually a great time for all of the countries to present their policy papers regarding the climate change, while also receive support from each other to see like the comparison about what we know to combat to make the combat in climate change become better. We'll give you further updates about this as tomorrow will be the third finance minister and central bank governor, and it will be started. Back to the studio.
Well, thank you, Andira, for the latest updates.